Meaning of funk.
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 Funk. The word funk can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a style of music that originated in the African American community in the 1960s, characterized by a strong rhythm section and an emphasis on groove. It can also be used as a verb to describe feeling afraid or hesitant, as in "I'm too scared to do that, I'm really funked out." More generally, funk can be used to describe a feeling of being stuck or unmotivated, often due to negative emotions like anxiety or depression.